Hello, hello. Oh, I think we live. Got the YouTube up. Got the YouTube up. Come one, come all. Coming to you once again with the Hollywoood Trades. It's your boy, yours truly, featuring King Carter out here. We got your boy Carter on the line. Out here trying to make that big bread.
Yeah, no.
I don't know where that boy Brevin at. Brevin was supposed to be on there with us too. Oh. Oh, what is this? Look, I don't even know how to. I think that Nike, if that Nike can break, if it can break support, but it gotta kind of go. It gotta drop. Yeah, Nike has to go for a 5-minute crossover on the MACD. Once Nike goes for the 5-minute crossover on the MACD, and this is what I'm seeing right here, guys. I'm showing the YouTube. So this is what I'm seeing right here. 5-minute crossover on the MACD. Then we'll gain support to the bottom. Obviously, stochastic is topped out on the 5-minute right there. Looks like at some point we're going to get another up push on the minute chart. Maybe up against the higher 164s on there. All right. What's today? Today's Tuesday. They're right now they're developing kind of slow. Who's in here? Is Brevin in here? I don't even know how to change audio output. I'm gonna turn this down. Screen broadcast. Is it broadcasting the screen? Hey, you can't even pull up your Discord, can you? I need somebody who can pull up their fucking Discord. What's echoing? My iPad is echoing some weird way. All right, time to really scan these charts. All right, Fastly, hourly. They should be going up. Fastly is up against let me really look at the levels. What all you got on your watch list? I say start adding these to a watch list. All the ones I'm pulling up. Fastly is on the hourly. Yep, Fastly is at the top of the Bollinger right now. It already sagged below it. Ooh, that means the 49 option was already in play. Damn, what other option they got? Come on, Fastly. Damn, they already going up. That 49.50. That Fastly look like it's about to bust, bro. No cap. That Fastly about to be the play.
What's it called, Fastly?
Yeah, Fastly is definitely the play. Holy cow.
How we buying?
Oof. Fastly is definitely the fucking play.
No, this setup's a little bit different than the phone setup though.
49.50 option. Yeah, 49.50 option. Or the 40. I was trying to we should have had the 49 in play. That's what we should have been at, that 49. But we about to it's gonna do a little diddy bop to the downside is what I'm seeing before it goes up. For sure. But we got a 5-minute MACD crossover. We got a 5-minute stochastic cross up. We got a minute bounce off the middle Bollinger and the VWAP. We might need another tap up against that 49. I'm thinking that 49 might be the play, but we might get another tap off that 49 or that shit might fly up. See, this is what I'm seeing, y'all. This is what I'm trying to tell y'all right here. You see this MACD cross over here on the 5 minute. You see this stochastic cross up on the 5 minute. And basically, we just need to get above 49.50 for this to bounce up to the 50 range at the where the 400 EMA is at on this
Hey,
5
how can I
minute.
buy in on the?
What was that?
No, I'm trying to see how can I buy in on the laptop because on my phone this is set up. I think I must have messed with my settings on my phone. I can't buy in on my phone.
What you
On the
mean?
laptop, how would you buy in?
What you mean you can't buy it on the phone?
Cause like on the phone I'm under Fastly, but like I'm just trying to figure out. So like, are we doing options?
Yeah.
All right. So when I click on options, it gives me the drop down. Like right now, highlighted is 3D. So I know you said to go to 90 or 49.5.
Yeah, go to
So what you
calls.
tell me?
Go to calls. You got to go down to the bottom where it says single option calls or both. Go to calls.
Okay.
And then that 49 option is in play. That 49 option is about to bust. Hold on,
I'm
but
in calls now, but it just gives me dates though. It gives me different dates.
you in calls. Okay, you got to open up the 3D where it opens up the pricing. See, it's so crazy to know which way they gonna go because if I'm not mistaken, the hourly MACD being green is what really tells them which way to go. Because it's going down right now, and they could bounce down off the middle Bollinger and create a crossover because the stochastic is topped out. See, they got two different signals going on right now. The stochastic is topped out. And what I'm trying to let me see if I can show. I can show it here.
My shit. I'm not even eligible to do the option trading.
What? You ain't even get options approved?
Yeah, my shit was though. That's how I was making bread. It's on background selections. Nigga, not approved. You niggas killing me, G.
What? They went back, they reneged on your approval?
Yeah.
Yo. That don't sound right.
Oh. They checked my employment history and seen that I'm not Best Buy anymore.
What they got to do with your what they got to do with anything?
They asked me to reapply, and it said something about employment history. You pulled up it asked me to update my employment history. Then I got to do it to be traded, bro.
I'll just say put something. I don't know, bro. Put something in that bitch. I don't know. That don't make no sense.
That shit right.
Yeah, this shit not making no sense at all. Damn. I was looking at that. I need some cucumbers on my shit. Ooh. Yeah, they're getting mixed signals from the stochastic. Yeah, that bottom stochastic is gonna win, but it's not gonna be a full signal. Never mind. The bottom stochastic won on that one. Let's keep it pushing. We got some stuff bouncing down right now, but I wouldn't. Let me see. All right. Yeah, we got some stuff bouncing down. I don't really understand.
I gotta wait on the application, bro.
There.
Yeah, say probably a good day or two. So
Yeah.
I'm out.
Shoot,
I'm out.
we gotta see because you had made a play on Weeble. You had made some plays on Weeble, ain't it?
That's my point, though. That's what I don't understand how that shit. I don't know what's up with that, man.
Okay. Yeah, we had it, bro. We had to see. We had to see because I think they had reneged one of my other dudes' options joint too because of something with his employment. I didn't know they was doing. It don't matter where you work. You got racks in the bank. What do you mean where I work at?
That's my
Like,
point, bro.
yeah.
That's
What is
my
y'all clocking where we working at? What the hell?
But nah, just keep me posted. I probably what you going to do it this weekend too?
Yeah.
I want
So
to
on
take this.
Sunday, on Sunday we supposed to be getting together and stuff. So
Okay.
like,
Okay.
you know what I'm
Well, now
saying?
I'm being in contact with you, bro. Depending on what you got going on today too. Well, man, I'm at the crib for the last slide too. If you want to.
Yeah, I got a meeting with old boy I was telling you about. Then I'll let you know.
Yeah,
I'll let you know what's good.
that'll work. Just keep me posted, yeah.
All right, bro. One.
Nah.
Uh, so that boy Brevin ain't up. He ain't ready for this bread. Oh my goodness! Look at
Yo,
this crisper. This crisper is destroying the bounce off the middle Bollinger right now. Oh my
yo,
goodness! Crisper is going crazy right now on a put. What's the options on it though? You ain't ready to make no bread, bro.
I've been in Discord.
Oh, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you in Discord. I don't think you can hear me though.
Um, it's showing, bro. I was trying to get to it where it was showing you on there. It's showing me that you're on here. Let me see, people, Brevin. Uh, you not muted.
Yeah, hello, hello, hello.
Oh, that was you. That was you talking the whole time.
I guess.
I wonder, yo, you ain't hear me. I was like, yo, it's giving me some feedback from my iPad. I don't know what my iPad is doing. That was you talking the whole time, yo. Shit, I can hang up then if I can hear you on there. Let me see. Yo. Yeah. Oh yeah, you loud and clear. They can hear you on the YouTube too. So Chris, what you was looking at this morning?
I was trying to look at forward, but that shit all over the place right now.
Yeah, Ford had gave a whole bunch of mixed signals. Like I tell everybody, bro, you just looking for on the hourly chart, you just looking for what's up against the middle Bollinger Band, bro. Stocks that started out at the middle Bollinger Band and are extending off the middle Bollinger. Like this CRISPR, I ain't even know about it. It's the people who make gene therapy. They was at 120 and that shit flew off the middle Bollinger, but it's a MACD compression, but it's a potential crossover. See, I don't usually trade potential crossovers, and I don't usually trade puts when the MACD started out green. I don't. So on the hourly, that's how I determine that shit. Like yeah, it's a put right now, but the MACD is green, so that shit could be a compression, even though it don't look like it. It look like this shit about to cross over to the bottom one more time, and I don't even know. Maybe the weekly chart or the daily chart got something to do with why it's doing this, but yeah, it's just you start getting these high consolidation stocks where you already know, shoot, you done made money and lost money on these stocks, where it goes up, how it went up to one. I'm on a daily chart on CRISPR. It went up to 170, and now it's just, you know how it be. Them damn hedge funds start getting a hold of them.
What you mean we going up?
Yeah, them hedge funds start getting a hold of them like that. Um, Let me see.
Hourly middle Bollinger.
What about it?
It's right up on the hourly middle Bollinger. It looks like it just crossed over to negative on the hourly.
Which one?
American Airlines, AL.
Oh yeah, I got that on my list for sure. Oh yeah, it's hitting it right now. However, they just had an hourly crossover. That hourly crossover is ugly as hell right now. But they waiting for a 5-minute cross to the top though. Is what they waiting on. They waiting for a 5-minute cross to the top. If they can get them a 5-minute cross to the top right now, I don't know if you. Bro, I be ganged up with the devices. I was about to say, I don't know if you got another device you can pull up YouTube. How I got my shit set up at the crib. How I got the 1 minute and the 5-minute chart set up right next to each other on the YouTube, and I can see like the minute resistance and support, and the 5-minute resistance and support at the same time. And all I'm looking for is the 5-minute crossover to the top. If it is to bounce off that hourly Bollinger, that middle Bollinger, because it is above all resistance. All the support is below it on the hourly, which is the 200, the middle Bollinger. And then on the 5-minute, they right at the 200 right now. They can't drop below where they at right now, or it's going to be weird. It's going to be weird. It's going to be really weird if it keeps. It should come down and bounce. It shouldn't go below it, but I see that hourly crossover might be pretty strong because the daily. Let me look at the daily and the 4-hour. It's literally like you got to really cross-reference all the timeline charts to see what the strongest harmonic is. Like, this is what I be trying to teach people. Like, people just be looking at one chart or the other, but, like, how are you going to do that? So the 4... Ooh. Hold on. How you do what?
On Webull, I'm on the desktop right now, and you get multiple charts.
Oh, you have to go to the top, right click, and it'll say add. It'll say, let me see. You can detach chart. You can, if you go to the menu, it's add a widget. It's add a widget. And that's how you add, let me see, a copy chart. You can copy the chart and it'll just make another version of that chart to the right. If you go to chart where it says chart and then like right click it, it'll say copy chart. You can copy the chart. Definitely make sure you got your Bollinger on, your 200 EMA on, and your MACD. Definitely. Shoot. Definitely need that stochastic too for the top out and bottom out. That's what I'm on too. You'll see on my how I got mine set up on the YouTube. Let me see if I can shoot you the link.
On the YouTube too.
What's that?
I'm already on the YouTube.
Okay. So you can see how I got my my minute chart and my 5-minute chart. Yeah. I got all kind of weird shit on my minute chart. Like the minute chart is just probably mostly me trying to dial into what's most important on the minute chart. Because I don't even have a MACD on the minute chart. I don't have anything traditional. I don't have a stochastic or a MACD on the minute chart. Just needed to know like quick oscillations and quick bounces and stuff like that on the minute chart. 5-minute chart is traditional. WR percentage is like an RSI stochastic, Williams percentage. It functions really nice as a lower time rate stochastic RSI combo. So that's why I use that on my 5-minute. But traditional MACD and stochastic on that, of course. On my hour, traditional stochastic MACD. RSI is good. I figured out how to do what you see on the Discord. If you can you still see the screen on the Discord? What does it show you on the Discord?
Discord, I can't see anything.
So it doesn't show you my screen?
No, not right now.
Okay, that's what I was trying to figure out how to do.
Oh, I can see you now.
You can see me now. I don't want to screen broadcast. So it says it's broadcasting my screen, but only in Discord. So what'll happen if I do this? Is it still broadcasting my screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
You can see what?
Lunch.
American Airlines?
Yeah.
Oh, so it is doing it. Okay. So basically, you see that at the top, I got that RSI. It's an advanced RSI. Like you add another RSI to it. I think like a lower time frame, like a 5, and it lets you see like just a little bit more detail of the force that's pulling on the RSI. Right? This be crazy how shit like this be. Like it's all small shit, but that should be helping. And the stochastic, obviously. I know you use RSI. It's just little stuff I be seeing along the way. Okay, so you can see. So you already know basically. I set your phone up like this, right, with the Bollinger and the 200
Yeah.
and the stochastic. Yeah.
Yeah, I have my phone like that, but I was looking at the desktop and I'm like, how do I set this up?
Yeah, you see, shoot, I got my iPad set up. I got a secondary screen showing that chart that you see on YouTube. Then I'm looking at my primary screen over here where I got the hour and the 4 hour. I got a different setup for my daily and my 4 hour study as well. I use the alligators, which seem to respond really well to the higher time rate. I don't even have my phone. Usually I have my phone up showing, let me see, trading view. Nope. Trading view. Usually I have my phone up showing this shit right here. What? What is this? Oh, I'm like, what is this? Somebody please tell me what this is. Oh, they changed it. Fubo. Yeah.
Bro, they just approved my shit that quick. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh boy.
It's funny.
So hold on. American Airlines is what we was looking at. I got American Airlines in here, right? Or am I bugging out? Respectfully. I'm bugged out respectfully. Okay. Watch list.
Should I still try to get on that fantasy boat?
We still scouting right now. Me and Brevin on this joint right now. Kind of scouting out a little bit. Hey, Brevin,
49.5?
what's that?
49.5?
Excuse me?
Jump in at the 49.5 or what?
Oh no, I said we scouting out right now.
Okay.
Yeah, we scouting out right now. I'm trying to see what exactly is going on right now.
It's at 47.9.
Yeah, 48. That's what I'm saying. That's what I was saying before you got off. I said the 5 minute crossover is taken on the 5 minute chart. So it's bouncing off the 200. It took to that 200 bounce off the 5 minute right now. And so basically we either look for a call bounce off of the extension on this back up, which it's gonna be a W bottom. If that's the case, it'll go down like it did, go up, hit the middle Bollinger, go down like it did, catch middle Bollinger support, and then you ride that middle Bollinger support all the way back up to the 5 minute 200 area range where it was at, the 49.30-ish or whatever. But we just looking for like right now, see, because it took to the bounce off the Bollinger, but it went down and it caught the crossover. Basically, it caught a double Elliott wave on the hourly on Fastly, and now it's catching a little crossover bottom out. But it's not. It's gonna be a hell of a call bounce. Look like Fastly gonna be a hell of a call bounce too. Damn, that's crazy. No, American Airlines, not Fastly. American Airlines. This is going to be a hell of a call bounce right here. Brevin, you can hear me?
Yeah. You said American Airlines?
Yeah, this look like a hell of a call bounce right now. But that hourly MACD going down, being red right at open, that's what did it. Because I always say, like, if it's interacting with the middle Bollinger, whatever the MACD is doing right at open, that's how they're going to interact with the Bollinger. So if it's red, it'll be red, just like with Fastly and American Airlines. So you see it right here, what I'm trying to teach y'all. Like, you see how the MACD on the hourly was red on both of these. Well, this one is green. Well, Fastly was green. It just so happened to take to that 5-minute MACD extension on the negative bounce off the 200. Like, this is just all reading. Like, none of this shit is by chance. This is just all reading what's happening. Oof, that American Airlines is whoa. So on the 5-minute, it's bottomed out on the stochastic, right? However, you got a MACD crossover to the hourly to the bottom. That's what they taking. So basically, what'll happen now is when you're doing a read, you're waiting on the 5-minute to settle back up against support or resistance. Because the 5-minute doing some strange stuff. If you look, especially if you're looking at the YouTube and you got even if you got the Discord up and you see the minute. On Discord, the minute chart that I have up here is showing the market bottom. It's showing the force of the market bottom on the VIX fix as well as an SMI. So it's telling you right now we deep reds, and there has to be a equalization back into the green or back at least flat, but before it continues to move, because it's super extended on the 5-minute here. I'm looking at American Airlines, super extended. This could be a right at, let's just say, where we at? The two. What option level we at? 2150. 2150, and then going up to 22. See, that's hard too. That's why the price is kind of wavering, because it's in between them option levels. That's another thing I look at too, Brevin, is which ones are closest. Because sometimes you don't know, even though you know which way the chart is gonna go, you don't know what's always the best play. How I figure out the best play in the morning is which one is closest to the options pricing, basically. So like how we got Fastly sitting up underneath the 48. Basically, a 48 call bounce would be really nice right now. Like if that shit really took to a call bounce at the 48, that'd be really nice right now, because it's right there. As long as they get support over the Bollinger on the minute chart, they'll be at least seeking to go up to 48, 60. What's that?
So you saying to go ahead and go for that 48?
I'm looking for support. Like, you got to look for the support on the minute chart. I look for the Bollinger Band support. You need that middle Bollinger Band support before any reversal.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
It's all technicals, bro. I'm literally teaching y'all like elite level technical shit. Like,
oh, you talking about how stuff, that little gap right there, what you saying?
yeah, you talking about on the minute?
Yeah.
Yeah, you looking for it to actually hit that and kind of show support. You feel me?
Right.
That shit is actually gonna support the price.
Right. I got you.
Like, this is just all technicals. Like, even I'm still watching American Airlines too on my iPad on the Discord. Watching, but they don't have any good options pricing. Like, to me, you got to go all the way down to 2150 or all the way up to 22. I mean, you might get something, but you got to really know that it's going to support either one of those prices, and it's kind of like right in the middle of them right now at American Airlines. What else we got?
What about Nike?
What did we see on Nike? 160. They're kind of in between options pricing too, to be honest. Wish, let me see. Oh, Wish had just hit that 9, didn't they? Wish it came from the 9. Oof. That was a hell of a bounce off that 9. Ooh, I'm mad I ain't see that.
Oh shit.
I'm mad I ain't see that on that Wish at that
Right,
9.
yeah.
That shit might go back up to that 9 though. It might go back up to that 9 at the middle Bollinger on the minute chart. And yeah, Wish is a deadly crossover to the bottom. I don't even know if it might not even go up to that 9. It's bouncing off that middle Bollinger. Crazy on that MACD crossover on the hourly. Ooh.
And who is Match?
Ooh, that Wish put would have been swole. I'm sorry I ain't go through the whole list today. Cause I'm trying to like get y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go more so getting y'all up to speed what I'm looking at. You feel me?
Right.
Yeah.
Cause more you know that what I'm looking at, then you could do this every day.
Hey, who is Match connected to?
Who is
That
what?
that dating site, Match.
Matt, you talking about the what stock?
The dating site, the dating little website joint. It's called Match.
I'm saying, are you talking about the stock?
Oh yeah, with stocks, yeah.
What's the symbol?
Oh shit.
Call bounce. Call bounce on there. Let me see. Yeah, I would say if that's the case, then Fastly is gonna. Yeah, Fastly caught crazy to that bounce, but they just need a 5-minute crossover to the top. Fastly just need that 5-minute crossover to the top, and they're gonna be good. That's the play that I would be waiting for on Fastly. That 5-minute crossover to the top. Damn, Wish went stupid. Oh man. That joint went crazy on the 5-minute MACD extension. And it's topped out on the 5-minute stochastic, meaning it could actually bounce and go further down. Ooh. Ooh, with the 4-hour stochastic facing down. That's a hell of a put right there. It still might be worth it if it could go up to that 9 again. At least get closer to it to have a better premium. Ooh. The VWAP is right at the 9 on Wish. It might hit a little call bounce right here where people call bouncing and try to get in on that call bounce on the double bottom because they do have a double bottom on the hourly showing up because overnight 2 sessions ago they hit the bottom. So they might get us back to that 9. I might have to go in on this. How much the option is on this joint?
Someone on that Wish.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. That Wish look fat.
Say less.
It's an hourly crossover on that joint, like to the bottom. And it got the Ichimoku cloud right there. Ooh, I ain't even show y'all the Ichimoku. It got that Ichimoku. Let me look. I got Fastly on here. Fastly right here. Look at this. Yeah, they gotta go up. They gotta at least hit the middle Bollinger. What's that? What'd you say, Brevin?
I was just saying, there it go with that. Starting to head on up.
Yeah, only thing is though, the MACD on the 5-minute got super extended. They're showing some type of weird cross signal with the top out on the stochastic, and which topped out means it should be able to go down, but the MACD is showing that is. Let me look at these options real quick. Yeah. So you got a bullish engulfing on the 5-minute, basically meaning that's the first signal to a trend reversal, where that bullish bar is engulfing the bearish bar before it. So that's forming right now. However, you hit the middle Bollinger now, that the VWAP is actually where the options price is at. So it actually have to hit the VWAP. But bad thing is, it probably won't hit the VWAP because the middle Bollinger is catching it. But you do have a 5-minute bullish engulfing forming, which is going to give it more power to potentially go up and hit that VWAP. Bad thing is on that, if it goes above the middle Bollinger, then it'll have the middle Bollinger support on the minute, and it'll bounce back and forth between the VWAP and the middle Bollinger.
Yeah, long.
It is a bicycle on the KDJ forming and on the DMA, which means this should oscillate up like a heartbeat and then oscillate down, which will let this blue oscillate up some more. Yeah, because this is a triple bottom. On the 4 hour, it's showing a triple bottom at this price point. It already hit this price point back in the 19th. Back on the 19th, and then again back a couple days ago on the 23rd. Now it's hitting it again. That triple bottom might stop it and let it come back up. Like this literally can all happen in real time. Like all these reads can all happen like right now in real time. Like it could just bounce up and go freaking ballistic because it catch a 5-minute crossover on the MACD to the green. It's crazy how I'll be so interested in the stocks like to see how they're gonna respond to all these cross signals. Let's go to some other ones. What's GameStop doing? GameStop is down. AMC is down 5%. They took really bad to their bounce. Oh my goodness, AMC took really bad to that crossover to middle Bollinger and that MACD crossover to the red. AMC took really bad. Oh my goodness. How much are their options right now? Are they expensive? They're not that bad either. Dang. Maybe upon some type of retracement or something. This is like deep red territory. This is deep reds. Oof. Look at that AMC. Oh. It's a put day for real. The market is bleeding. Yeah, the market is bleeding right now. Oh. Only thing we can do is look for a good call bounce right now. Oh my goodness. We just waiting on 5-minute reversals right now with a call bounce. Cause this is so basically like y'all see what I'm talking about though. This is what I really wanted to, because I have a meeting coming up at noon. I actually have to get ready for basically talking about this information with Leonard. And so y'all see what I'm saying? Like, look at this Roblox put bounce, bro. Off the middle Bollinger at open. Look at, I'm gonna switch on the YouTube. I'm gonna switch. Matter of fact, on the Discord, I'm gonna switch to Webull. I'm gonna go down to Roblox, bro. Roblox did it perfectly today. Roblox did it perfectly. Look at this on Roblox.
Roblox?
Yeah, look at the hourly on Roblox, bro. Perfectly. So basically, at open, you see the first candle bar on Roblox. At open, it was at the middle Bollinger. The MACD lines were underneath the histogram, basically denoting that it is an overall general, downward trend because the signal lines on the MACD are below the middle, below the red and greens. It was topped out on the stochastic, or not topped out, but it was on a top. It had basically saying the stochastic was heading for a top, and it got stopped out by the middle Bollinger, and it started reversing at open. This is what I'm trying to show y'all. You could teach a 10th grader how to do this. You could teach a high schooler how to do this. You could teach a kindergartner how to do this if they fucking smart. You follow me, Brevin? Is my Discord still up? Oh, I think the. Hey, Brevin. You did you see what I was saying with Roblox?
Yeah, that was in there, YouTube.
Okay. So basically, with that being said, like you can do this every day. Like just because we ain't make this money today, we ain't catch this Roblox move today, you can catch this any day.
Right. That's not bad, bro. Now you know what you're looking for.
Bro, if you know what you looking for, you can do this every day, bro. You be on the beach like I was in Myrtle Beach. Wake up at 9:30, late for the session. Was supposed to already been studied the session, but I had studied it the previous night. Knew that Apple was going to drop. I seen it hit the signal. Boom, hit it. Made 250 on the beach in the hotel room. Like
That's the life right there.
that's what I'm trying to tell you. So when you know what you looking at, bro, I don't even stress not even making this move because I know as long as I see another chart tomorrow, it's topped out on the stochastic, hitting up against the bottom of the Bollinger, right at open. MACD red.
So let me ask you a question. In your opinion, based off of what you be looking at and stuff, just by the trend of what it is right now, would you just call this a no go for today, just based off of what it is today?
No,
No.
not a no go for today. Now you catching the call bounce. Like you could catch a crazy call bounce on a 5-minute MACD reversal. Like today, like you could catch such a crazy call bounce if you catch it right at the right option price. Like we waiting right now, the market's just bleeding. Like that's good. Like whatever, let the market bleed. Everybody knows about the call bounce play. That's half the traders out there only make call bounces because they got big ass accounts. They only buy. They looking for value buys. And so you're going to see a lot of them hop in today. Like they waiting for the market to stop bleeding. They waiting for that 5-minute MACD crossover to the green. You know.
I guess what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to capitalize on my time because I be having a lot of shit I be doing.
Yeah. So
the best time to really jump in and
So basically, like right now, like it just so happened, you know what I'm saying? I was trying to show y'all and we couldn't scan all the charts. When we do this like every day after this, that's why I've been trying to get niggas on this shit. So niggas ain't have to go through all this, you know, looking at the charts instead of reading the charts. You feel me? Yeah. So when we all get together, we doing this shit together. We scanning through the charts on the hourly, like, yo, this shit about to buzz. Yo, this shit look like it's about to buzz. Yo, this shit look like it's about to do this. Yo, it look like it's about to do that. Then if when we start getting real good at it, we'll be able to forecast the whole market movement because if a lot of the charts we looking at are underneath the middle Bollinger in red on the hourly, we know the market is gonna bleed. Right. I'm trying to tell you advanced level shit, like elite level shit.
I feel you.
Brevin, you still on the Discord?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, I don't know if it be cutting off by itself sometimes. But bro, I'm trying to tell y'all, so basically it's gonna be quick. Like we would have already been in and out. We would have already been out. We would have seen this Roblox be busting when the signal hit. And the Bollingers are just spaced so good, basically meaning that there's a lot of open force in the Bollinger. You feel me? It was just spaced so good on the hourly that it just so happened like that bounce between the middle Bollinger and the outside Bollinger was a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? Like that could have been a crazy, you know, what was that? Right at 78, the 78 option. If we would have been right there at it, we would have tried to get in at that 78 as it was falling through on the minute chart, right through all of them lines, or as it was losing support. We would have got in at the 78. 76, 96 is where it initially fell to for them next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes after that. Could have took the profit on that, but knowing that is most likely gonna fall some more because that stochastic is topped out, and knowing that bottom Bollinger was around the 75, 70, like where it's at right now, 75 something, we could have stayed in. You know what I'm saying? We already know what our levels are. See, when you know what your levels are, you can continue to make that move. We would have been in and out. So that's what you're looking at on a daily. On a daily, we scan these charts on the hourly, and you try to use, like you said, your time the most wisest way you can. You know at 9:30 something is gonna fly off a middle Bollinger on some chart because of the fucking stochastic and the MACD, and you know this. So basically, you getting in and out.
Right.
By now, we already out. You know what I'm saying? But it just so happened that now, you know what I'm saying, if you wanted to make some money today, you got to wait for these 5-minute crossovers. You got to wait for these minute charts to consolidate up against the Bollinger Band again one more time so you can get your play to the top side if you're looking for that.
But it's still not bad, though. I guess the biggest thing, kind of like what you were saying, is just pretty much check those charts ahead of time. As long as you read those charts ahead of time, you know where you're starting off.
Mm-hmm. At 8, 9 o'clock, you're supposed to be looking at these charts.
Right. All right. Dig it. Dig it. Say less, bro. Say less. I'm going to definitely tap in with you, bro, and see what's good with you and keep in contact. But either way, I mean, shit, whatever you want this weekend, too. You know what I'm saying? We can set something up. I'm definitely doing this shit, though, now, bro. You can put me on the wave, bro.
I'm trying to tell you, bro, once you simplify it, once you really looking at it on that highly technical level, it changes it.
It does. It does. Hey, as well, too, hit me back up later on today, too, and see what you, let me know what you guys said, so.
Yeah.
I definitely feel like you're on some shit, man, bro, because this shit making sense.
Yeah.
Definitely making sense.
Yeah, for sure, man. I'm glad y'all can see it. I'm glad y'all see what I'm saying.
No doubt.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep on watching it, man. I actually got somebody coming through for some shorts and shit, but I'm gonna keep on watching this shit. I'm be in contact with you.
Yeah. I gotta get ready to then go across town or stuff. So I hit you, bro.
All right, buddy.
All right. Bro, you still in there?
Yeah, I'm just looking at Steel Dynamics.
Are you looking at what is that, X?
STLD. It's looking like it's catching that 5-minute reversal right now, but hourly still.
Oh, this about to catch a hellified bounce. That hourly is stabilized above the middle Bollinger, and the stochastic is kind of bottomed out a little bit. Oh, but the 5-minute though, it got to settle on the 5-minute. But it caught the 5-minute MACD. But look at the stochastic on the 5-minute though. The stochastic on the 5-minute looking kind of sick. But what it should do now that it's over the middle Bollinger on the 5-minute and the 1-minute, and it's over the 200 on the 1-minute, it should catch on its withdrawal. It should catch the support of all of that by traders. You know what I mean? Like they should be catching them entry points, you know what I mean, at them levels as it's coming down. So it should catch, I say around like 10:45 should be when the next signal is generated. Because I'm looking at the minute chart. I'm looking at the KDJ. The KDJ is like kind of just catching this little dribble. And it's going to have to go into a sell cycle on the KDJ. I say around 10:42-ish. 10:44-ish. And that's what's so crazy. Like when you start studying the waves, you can actually get a time placement as well. Like if you start seeing like the harmonics of the waves, like even on the DMA here, how I got it on the YouTube, might take a second for it to come up. But like boom, got a wave. And all the timing is usually around the same for the buying and selling cycles on the waves, like on the indicators. So you can kind of like boom, up, boom, up, and then soon it should come for a settling here. Boom, let the KDJ settle here, let the VI kind of do its little meet up in the middle here. So somewhere around like 10:33, 10:30, all up in here. And then it might be a play at that. What option is that? That's the 60? What options they got for this joint?
60, 50, 65.
Shit, I'm gonna add this to my watch list too. Let's go. Oh, so their options pricing. Okay. Shit. It makes the 60 a lot more expensive, but that bounce though, if we can get a little bit of a better discount on that 60, other than that, you'd have to swing it. You'd have to swing it on that 65 one, which I don't really do swings like that. You could. Let me see. What's the daily looking like? Daily ain't looking too bad. The 4 hour ain't looking too bad on that joint either. Bouncing off the 200 on the 4 hour too. But it gotta clear for it to be valid. It'll have to clear 60, 61.20, 61.30 for it to really be a valid play. For me to swing and be confident that it might get close to that 65, but I don't see no evidence that it's even nowhere available to hit that 65. That 60 option ain't no joke though. They caught that bitch. If you would have caught that bitch right before it came up to the 60, that might have been a play because they had caught. If you look at the minute chart, they had caught that 60 option off of Bollinger consolidation. Perfect time to get in too. Boom. Yep, on that minute chart, it had caught the Bollinger consolidation. It was up underneath the 200 though. That kind of sketches me out. As a professionally, technically trained, like that would have sketched me out that it on the minute chart it was underneath that 200. But it was showing support. It was showing good support. It's showing that hourly, like you said, the hourly Bollinger, that would have gave me confidence. Plus the 5 minute. The 5 minute would have gave me confidence after that crossover, after that 5 minute consolidation and stochastic being bottomed out. That would have gave me, I would have definitely made that trade. Even though it's under the 5 minute Bollinger at that point, I still would have been confident to make that trade because of all the rest of the harmonics. Like, I don't know if you ever like really was fucking with the charts like this, bro. Like looking at the charts like this, like how I be looking at them.
Not this in depth, nah.
Yeah.
Like I was just taking, basic signals, MACD crossover, RSI, topped out, bottomed out. I'm kind of understanding the KDJ. I was.
Yeah, the KDJ is kind of like a visual support of. It's weird. The KDJ is weird. Like I almost like don't be knowing how to explain that shit sometimes. But it be on the minute chart. It kind of tells me, like even right now, look at the consolidation. Like you see it consolidating, and it must let that pressure out. It must let that pressure out. And the VI is at 160. The VI don't usually ever go past 140, 150. The VI is at 160. So that joint must consolidate. Look at the 5 minute too. They extended as much as they can. You see that?
Yeah.
They extended as much as they can on this one. They going stupid, really, to be honest. Like they going crazy right now with this stock. The volume is ridiculous. Vehemently green, like they was waiting for this, like because the call, what I call the call bouncers, they was waiting for this. They was like they trying to find something to bounce, and all they doing is doing what we doing, but they got fucking way more screens than we got.
They caught this one way too late.
Yeah, because when you doing this for real, you got as many screens up as you can hold. You got 8 screens up if you can hold them. You looking at all these stocks. You ain't letting not one signal go unnoticed. It makes sense. I hope it makes sense to you more now why they got all those screens up. If they looking at it on the level right here where we looking at it, you looking at 7, 8 stocks at all given times on all different screens showing a minute, a 5 minute, and an hourly. Because if you got that minute, 5 minute, hourly, you could look at 10 stocks. You could have up 20 screens, and they all got different stocks on them. If you was like that, this is crazy. Like once you know what you're looking for, like it's so much easier to scan the charts. It's so much easier to see what's bouncing, see what the trader's most likely gonna do. Like today was a market bleed. So all the call bouncers is hungry. They like, oh yeah, somebody gonna catch this fade on the call bounce.
Is Ford setting up that 5 minute right now?
Ford? They should have been. Damn, all the damn time they spent down. What option level is that? It would have to be what, the 14?
14, yeah.
That's the only thing. Like, it's up there. That 14 is up there. Yeah, that 14 is up there. For you to really say. And they got what they got up there. They got something else up there too. The 200. Yeah, they got the 200 on the hourly right up there. 1405, 1406. You could. I mean, you would have to be brave.
Yeah, and you probably have to get out before it even hit there.
Yeah, you would have to be brave and catch it, like catch whatever profit they give you, because it'll start hitting profit. If you catch it now, it'll start hitting profit like at like 13 something. But you have to be brave to really be like, they not gonna take crazy to that downward hourly off that middle Bollinger and take that bit down to damn 1350 or something crazy. Cause overnight that joint went down to 1357 a session ago. And then a couple days before this, it was at 1330. Oh yeah, then before that it was at 1270 something. Yeah. Yeah, with them being up underneath the 200 on the hourly, I generally don't I count that as negative sentiment. Yeah. So when you start being able to classify like what you're seeing in just a more better psychological black and white type of way, like it helps you, like, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, we want to get in on that call bounce. However, the negative sentiment is just not going to really give us anything. You catch what I'm saying?
Yeah, like it might be a good like real short term play, but
If you can catch a great option level, that also boosts the volume because other people are going to see that great option level too and get on it as well. Like if we were at the 14 right now, you would see a lot more volume. I don't know if you ever paid attention to that too. Like if you can catch, it's a psychological thing for other traders as well too. They're like, okay, this option is right here. We're at it. It's time to bounce. If we catch this option right now, we can catch a nice little stretch. But right now, it's kind of a little far away. So people are kind of like, There's a lot of psychology involved in it, but you get the basics.
yeah, I mean, this is basically like predicting how people react, right?
The easy way, though. A lot of people don't know how to look at all this information and put it and make it mean anything. Like Roblox right now is just bleeding. I love when Roblox bleed. Roblox just bleed for no reason. Look at the volume off the bleed. The volume is insane today. It's so glorious. Roblox is just bleeding, yo. I wish people was watching my stream. I got like one viewer, two viewers on the YouTube. I wish I had more viewers, yo. This shit is amazing. Bleeding. Oh my God. If we was confident to keep your trade in until it crosses over the middle Bollinger Band, because it has not yet crossed over that middle Bollinger, because that's usually the signal that you can keep on catching plays like this. If you see that minute Bollinger and you see that bitch keep holding and you got your VWAP still to support you, still got your 200 to support you, you got all the lines of resistance is above you, and that joint still on that middle Bollinger bouncing down, that's how you catch these plays. No, this is pure technical trading. The MACD has not yet extended on the hourly. It's extending, in the process of extending. The stochastic is in the process of settling on the hourly. This is pure technical. This is what I'm trying to teach y'all so you can catch these moves. Is you seeing what I'm showing you? The MACD hit the perfect compression right before open. The two MACD lines, they hit the perfect compression. They hit each other. They looked like they were going to cross over to the top, but they couldn't because the stochastic was topped out. One of the stochastics was topped out. And so they was like, nah, that's a sell signal. It's already under the Bollinger. It's already under the 200. And the MACD got room to extend crazy if it opened to the bottom. They said, bro, give me that bread. They said, bro, give me that bag, bro. Open your pockets up, Roblox CEOs, and give me your money. I'm trying to teach you, bro. That's why I don't even stress about not making this play, because this play happens every day on something. It's just about seeing it. It's just about scanning your charts and seeing it. I would have definitely seen this if I would have went through all the charts instead of explaining and talking. If I would have just went through all my stuff on my watch list that I got on my options list, which is like 25, almost 30 things now, I would have seen this, because Roblox is one of my favorites. I like to scan Apple. I like to scan Roblox. I like to scan Fastly. Sometimes Fubo. Sometimes Fubo be going stupid. Coin be going stupid. You know, a lot of these stocks just respond. You thinking it's news, you thinking it's this, you thinking it's that. Even if it is or even if it isn't, it's regardless of any of that. These technicals, bro, are strong, bro. These technicals are super strong. So, also, I forgot to tell you a caveat. Caveat to knowing, basically, okay, so let's just say we did see Roblox this morning, right at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. We seen that it was going towards the middle Bollinger. The other caveat to this is that it already bounced off the 200 the previous session 2 sessions ago. So basically, you still got that momentum of those traders that are still in their positive positions. You still got the momentum of people getting out of the positions as it's dropping down. And you still got the momentum of people getting in, seeing that it's still dropping. And so all those people are holding their positions at once. And all of those people have gotten out that did get out, and they're not getting back in because the sell signal is crazy. All of this is just happenstance, most of what you see in the market. You just got to know, okay, if the previous day people were out of the money, they're like, nah, we out of the money on Roblox. Like, nah, hell no, we ain't fucking with no buying on Roblox. That shit look crazy. It's bouncing wild. Then you know today that all those people still, the late bloomers that didn't get out of their positions because they thought it was going to keep going up. You know how we've all been in that position. That shit got over the 200. We got into a good position on that session. We seen it went up $100. Then next thing you know, the session after that, it crashed below the 200. Let's just say you don't even know about the 200. You don't even know these signals. You don't even know about the Bollinger, how that shit got cut by underneath the middle Bollinger line. You don't even know about that, because I didn't know about none of this. So we still in our positives thinking we good. Don't really know how to look to see that we not good. So you got those late bloomers getting their positions closed out right now. That's what's all happening today. It's just a bloodbath, like.
I could just imagine me being having bought in yesterday when it started to go green, and then seeing
We all been there, my bro. we all been there. Hey, I see you subscribe. Appreciate it. We all been there. I've been there. Thinking that it was going to go up, not knowing about none of what I'm showing you. That was me 3 months ago. 2 months ago. Yeah, a few weeks ago. Bro, I just now really started studying and discovering this, bro. That's what's so crazy about it. Like, for me, just really putting in the hours of discovery, like, I this wasn't no research I did. I just really took my common sense and was really start thinking deep into the psychology of what I've been looking for. And I'm looking for being able to capitalize on that big volume right at open when it happens, because it's crazy when it happens. This is how, and I was trying to figure out, like, I knew what I was looking for because I started looking at different programs online, YouTube and stuff like that. I never signed up for them, but they saying yeah, 1 hour workday, 30-minute workday, trading these stocks, making capital on a consistent basis. You know how they be online. You know exactly how they be online.
to really be like to make the big plays, you just need to be on like the first 2 hours of the day and then the last hour, and
Yeah, last hour for swings. If you really good at swings, like I said, swings happen when the sentiment of people getting out of the money the day before, just like these last couple of days on Roblox. Then at the end of the day, if that shit is dropping down and is at its lowest point, basically at the end of the day, people who didn't watch it drop because they was busy gonna wake up, and if it was still sustain that drop, they gonna wake up and get out of their position, so it's gonna drop some more. That's what happened today. Roblox yesterday went complete negative yesterday. Like it ended the day negative as fuck. So it just sustained that overnight. And when people woke up and it started showing signs that it was taken to that middle Bollinger bounce to the bottom, that MACD opened up negative, niggas was like, oh, hell no, getting out of that position. So you seen a lot of stops triggered. You seen a lot of puts entered. That's the combination. It just happened. It just happenstance. So yeah, like you said, I would say first hour and a half of the day, because you should already know, like if you read your hourlies, you should already know at least a couple candidates. At least before open, you should have at least 3 or 4 strong candidates. You know what I mean? For that push off that middle Bollinger. His Roblox was a strong candidate. What else I got? I don't even think, bro, looking at these joints, I don't even think I made it through my whole watch list today. I don't usually, because I'm still getting used to being off on Tuesdays because my trading day was usually Monday. So I had to do all kind of shit once I traveled to Ohio for these funerals, and we had to pay like $600 for my mom's alternator as it went out right when we was up there in Ohio. It's crazy. So I had to do all kind of stuff with my money. So when I got paid, I actually dropped some more bread into my account, and I'm waiting for that to hit. So I'm about to start going heavy handed. I'm talking about all my trades gonna be putting in 500 plus.
Ooh, all right.
Heavy. I'm talking about only on this signal though. That's the only way I can trust is when I see this signal at open. I don't really like swings. If I do swings, it's not going to be with no $500. It's going to be with $100 or $50 when I do swings. I don't even like doing swings because you can go so confident and so heavy into these opening plays when you see them happening that just imagine we would have went heavy into this Roblox play with $500. Oh my God, you went in with $500 at 77. Oh my God, bro, you already in them first 2 candles after 77, after it bounced off that minute bar, you already up like $100. You already up $100, right? You could get out with that and just go live your life at that point already.
I'm done trading.
I'm good. I'm done. I don't even want to look at the charts no more. I don't even want to talk to nobody about stocks today. I did it already. That's the lifestyle I'm trying to create with our group, with our program. You feel me? Like we getting in quick, boom, we done made our 200, boom, we out. Like I'm gone. Don't even, if I hit you about the stocks, you be like, bro, you ain't make your money yet already, bro. I ain't even trying to talk about stocks no more today. You feel me? Like,
Yeah.
it's a different life. It's a different life when you doing it like this. You ain't slaving over the charts. Your hair falling out. Shit, my hair already been falling out. Shit, I don't need that shit to fall out no more. You damn looking at these charts day after day, after hour after hour. Like, that shit ain't no good. Look at this Roblox bleed off, bro. This shit's just a marvel to watch. Fuck. I'm waiting for a call bounce to generate somewhere on something. Shit, I don't know. You probably ain't even.
I'm not even gonna mess with this.
Yeah, this shit bleeding, bro.
I'm just here to watch it.
Yeah, this shit be bleeding. Like, especially on today when the whole market, bro. I'm looking at like. Let me look at my overall watch. Like my overall watch. You got some green sprinkled in there, here and there. Lily went green. Sharp went green. AMBAC went green. Berkshire went green. Yum, KFC, Taco Bell, and all them, they went green.
Tesla went, or what? No, this is not Tesla. What the hell is this?
Lockheed went green. God damn, Lockheed went. Oh, Lockheed went stupid. Hold on, wait a second. What type of signal was that? Am I not watching Lockheed on my options list? What type of options Lockheed got? They ain't even catch no clean signal all like that. All they did was catch a clean MACD crossover, a clean 4-hour bottom out. So they basically had a 4-hour bottom. Oh, they had some crazy movement yesterday. That's what happened. Lockheed went down stupid yesterday. It went down from 182 to, what was that, 382 to 366, 365. Damn. That's why they up 6% today. I'm like, damn.
Dang, NVAX. How you getting more cell signals when you ain't been green yet?
Hold on. Novavax?
Yeah.
Oh, bro, they can't get over that 5-minute middle Bollinger, bro. They can't even get to the 5-minute. They can't even get to the VWAP. They hit the VWAP one time. It was like, yep, nope. God, dog. Yeah, that Novavax hit that damn. They hit on the hourly. They barely hit close to the middle Bollinger when that shit hit 191.64. They got close to where the middle Bollinger was at. It was at 192. And then they just, the MACD compressed. The stochastic hit that little stop out on the rise. Zoom. God, dog, what option price was that? That was the 190? Oh, my goodness. That 190 put would have went crazy. Oh, my goodness. Just imagine you put in 500 on that one, too. Oh, you would have went stupid. Oh, instantly in like 5 minutes, 6 minutes, you would have been up like $300. Instantly. Oh my God. You still there, bro?
Yeah.
That shit crazy. That's why I added Novavax to my watch list, because Novavax be hitting them signals too. Then on the 5-minute, you had the MACD opening up red like a motherfucker. That shit had consolidated right at the middle Bollinger before it shot down. It shot up. You would have been super confident to make that 190 put too. If you already seen that it was damn underneath the middle Bollinger, compressed on the MACD, you would have been super confident to hit that 190 when it went up. That's shit. That's 3 minutes in, bro. That's at 9:33. At 9:34, you would have been considering that play at 9:35. That's what I always tell people. They said, so what time you going to enter your play? I said at around like 9:35. You going to go into your play. At around what? What time was it? 9:45? 9:46 is when you was getting out of your play. Boom. You eating. Damn. I love looking at these charts. I love looking at these charts, bro. Now that I know what I'm looking at, it just feels so good looking at these charts, bro. All right, I gotta eat me something. I gotta get to this.
Yeah.
I gotta get. I'm going.
I'm trying something to schedule where I'm like, all right, I'm waking up somewhere 9:30. Trade till 11. Get off. Start getting ready for work and all that.
Mm-hmm. Find you one good play, bro. We'll find one good play. If we working together, bro, that's what's so good about us working together too. Yeah. That's what's good about us working together, because we could like kind of cipher on, okay, these is the options. We got 3 good plays about to come up at 9:30. Hit one of them joints and keep it pushing, bro. Either you make money or you don't, and you keep it pushing regardless. I'm not staying in no place that go negative. Like, I'm not staying in a play that's negative, bro. Not after I know this. Like, after I see this type of stuff that we looking at. Why would you stay in negative plays when you know you could just kill that trade off and try to hit one of these signals tomorrow? Like, it'd be better off that you have your capital ready for tomorrow or the next day when it settles than being in a negative play and you can't even catch the signals. Now that we see the signals, you gonna shoot yourself. You gonna commit suicide. If you see these signals, you in a negative play for a negative 100 and you see 3 of these signals happen at open that you know you would have hit, you'll kill yourself. You'll commit suicide. You would not be able to handle the psychological pressure. So we trading different, bro. We different, bro. We made different than the rest of these niggas now, man. But shoot, I'm about to hit you. I'm gonna turn this off. I'm done looking at the charts for today. I can't, like, after I get so much overload of looking at all these signals and seeing like that I actually really do know what I'm looking at, like, it's just, I just be like, whatever. Like, now that you know like what you're looking at, it feels so much different. I hope you share my same sentiment.
Yeah, definitely. Like, yo, like that like first month when I started like trying to do options, I was just like, I don't even what's like just not even like understanding anything.
Bruh, not understanding nothing.
Just looking at the price and just like, oh, it's kind of going up.
I swear that was me, bro, getting lucky with some. On my first week back in February, bro, I had made like $800. I was like, yo, this shit is incredible. Then next thing you know, I'm losing $1,500 at a time. I'm like, what the fuck? I put in a big option for 300, put in another big option for 500, lose both them shits. I'm like, yo, I'm having the worst time of my life. I'm having the worst time of my life right now, bro. Somebody,
I done spent too much money to not make money.
I'll be like, yo, somebody please just hold my hand. Just guide me through it, bro, please. Please, bro. I'm begging somebody just hold me. I just lost 1,600. Yeah, then you be like, bro, I gotta learn this shit. That's what happened to me, bro. This last month, bro, I'm like, no, fuck this. I gotta learn this move that I'm seeing at open. I see this shit happening frequently. I gotta learn it. And here we are. So I'm glad, bro. I'm glad I stuck through it. I'm glad, like, I had my dude who taught me how to do this. Like, he worked at Wells Fargo, bro. He don't even trade no more, bro. He took like a $500 loss, bro. He don't even trade no more.
Wait, that's it?
He took like a $500 loss. It was like, bro, nope, I'm good, bro. Like,
You can more losses than that. Like, what?
he did, bro. But it was consecutive, so it was like he had lost like 600, then he built it back up, then he lost, I think like 800 after that, which was like a net positive, like losing like 600 of his money. He was like, nah. He was like, this shit going up and down. I'm good. So I'm trying to get him back in. I haven't even showed him this new strategy I'm messing with. I'm trying to get him back on too. He's in the Discord, but he lost all hope. Two of my dudes I first started trading with lost all hope. I ain't talked to one of them in months. My one dude, he had lost like, I think he had lost like $2,000 he had like 8 in his account, and he had lost like $2,000 trying to mess around with like one of these penny stocks. And then he had lost like another like 500 messing around with GameStop on one random bad option. I think he just lost all hope. He rage quit on me. I was on the phone with him at work one day. He was like, no, I can't do this. Click. So I'm trying to get him back in too. So these next few weeks, once I start going heavy back on my heavy trades, 500 plus, 1,000 plus, like that's where I'm at. And I'm trying to basically let y'all know through the confidence of how I'm trading, like that it's possible. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. When you see somebody actually like, okay, they confident, they putting in hundreds again after their losses. What's that?
Like someone I know is doing it and they in. So
Yeah. So I'm not making no bad calls. Like you see, like mostly I can make a good call.
Yeah, I mean, even the stuff I call out on Discord.
Yeah, and even you getting good. Yeah.
I'm in it.
Yeah, exactly. Even you getting good at it. I know before you even start getting real technical, cross-referencing 5-minute, daily, hourly, like before you started getting real technical, you was already good. So now that I know you getting real technical, I know you got my back. I know you.
If I was already
Nah, bro. Like you been on, bro. You,
that's under real fast.
yeah. But that's entry. That's entry and exit and strategy. That's not reading the play. That's a whole nother thing. Entry and exit and strategy. Like we should have never been holding those plays that went negative, because that means you didn't read your play as good as you thought.
Negative.
Yeah.
I'll be like 20-30%, and then I'm like, oh, I'm down 15 now.
That's what I'm saying. Like we should have never been a part of those entry and exits. It's not our chart reading. It's our entry and exit. Like we should have never been. As they say, trader psychology, you can't control the chart, but you can control how you engage with the chart. You don't have to lose. That's the trader's fault. That's our fault. That wasn't the chart's fault. And so now that we know, like, look at this fucking Novavax, bro. Look at this fucking hourly opening of the MACD on Novavax, bro. Roblox is doing the same thing, bro. Extending on the hourly down, bro. Bruh. That niggas could just catch some of these moves. I'm talking about putting in once my account gets back to 3,000 where I was at in these next 2 weeks, bro. I'm giving myself 2 weeks, bro. 3 weeks. I'm gonna be putting in $2,500 plays at open. Oh, that should make your soul hurt, right?
You're trying to be by September, fucking 25K. That count.
I'm talking about scaling up on the confidence of these opening. I call it a glitch, bro. This shit is a glitch to me, bro. It's an opening glitch. If this was a video game, the developers would have to patch this shit. It's broken. Like when you can see a move like this, what Novavax and Roblox and all these are doing, and you can get in on that shit because you confident, because you reading your shit right, how we reading this shit right, bruh, you could put in, I'm about to be putting in 3,500 on an option, making 2 bands in one morning. Like, don't even want to trade for the rest of the month type shit.
Like, oh, I done made my money.
Yeah, I done made, bro. Don't even talk to me about the charts. If you ain't trading this shit how we trading this shit, don't even talk to me about no charts. Like,
What you doing? You
holding. What you playing poker, my nigga? Holding.
Somebody come up to me talking about some
Diamond hands. Oh my god, motherfucking. I don't even know. I gotta come up with another term. We about to start coming up with media and stuff like that too for like these goofy ass traders, bro. Like shit they be doing. I'm about to start making skits for what these goofy ass traders be doing, bro. This boy is goofy. What is you talking about? That's a 10% chance that Diamond Hands is gonna get you paid. Like it's a 10% out of 10 stocks you holding. Like
when I first got into trading, it was right around the start of the AMC GameStop stuff, and I was in naked because they were talking about doing that, and I'm like, oh, lost. However, I lost almost the entire investment I put into it. Yeah, like 20, $50 or so I'm like, but I'm still like, oh.
Bruh, these boys goofy, bruh. If you don't know how to catch this opening volume play and create that 30 minute work day, like you ain't doing it right. Like I said, I'm trying to get to the point confident where we got 10K in the account. I drop eight racks on a damn morning play. And you making 5 racks that morning. 4 racks. You only need 50%. And some of these moves we done already seen this morning, you would have been past 50%. Yeah, 80, 90%. You put in $8,000, you sitting on damn 6,000 profit.
Yeah, I thought one of them plays was like $100 something percent.
Just imagine. Just imagine, bro. Just imagine. You don't even. You,
$75 put on Roblox, 177% right now.
just imagine. Just imagine, bro. Just imagine a few months from now, bro. You sitting on some rest, bro. You so confident. You done did this shit so much. You so confident. You just make this play and you just be like, bro, I don't even want to talk about it. Like,
Oh dang, they must be expecting Roblox to keep the fucking.
bro, look at Novavax, Roblox, Novavax, like they all down bad.
Yeah, the $70 put on Roblox is up 268%.
Oh my god. Oh my god. And that was right at open. Just imagine if I would have put in $1,000, if my $1,000 that I deposited on Friday would be in there right now and I made that play.
Yeah, that's probably my only thing I don't like about Weeble.
Oh,
How long it takes for money to settle.
hey, now that I know how to read these plays, bro, I ain't never gonna have to worry about depositing or settling.
And one of the
This shit crazy.
you go, do they send you mad like paper mail?
Nah, hell no, they send you shit?
They send me every trade confirmation in the mail.
Oh, you gotta change that.
My email set up, and I don't know why they keep sending me that.
You gotta change that. That's tough.
Like every day I'm getting like 2-3 letters from them. I'm like, no, stop.
Bro.
Absolutely every trade in a separate letter.
Oh, bro, stop. Oh, that's tough right there. That's tough. Why would they even have the faculty in the facility to do that? Like,
I'm like, who's doing this? Like, who did you get to do this?
stop. Okay, so now you start seeing divergence. So on the 5-minute chart, we're starting to get divergence now, like on Novavax. There's a 5-minute MACD divergence. And when you see that, that's what's letting you know the completion of that divergence is going to give you the reversal signals. So there are some traders that just trade divergence. Like they're just now about to start their trades. Like on 5-minute Novavax, you got a bottom out of stochastic. You got a MACD divergence. But now they're just looking for a bullish engulfing. So they'll look for a bear bar. They're looking for a bear bar, but they're looking for a bullish engulfing bar right after that. So right now they're going to get the bear bar. They should be getting their bear bar coming up. And then they should get like a bullish engulfing, a bullish bar that tops out, the close of the previous couple bars and is past that. And then they'll start going heavy into their buy volume. It's crazy, bro. Like, chart reading is so interesting to me now that I know how the psychology works. Like, it's so interesting to me. This shit is crazy, man. Like, oh yeah, they about to get above the minute Bollinger too. If they get a bit above the minute Bollinger right here, they good. Yep, Novavax about to go for buy signals here. They got a DMA crossover. They got a stochastic crossover on the 5 minutes at the top. Yep. They about to start getting buy volume. But when you can read the chart on the level that we trying to start reading this shit, bro, like we gonna make so much money. We gonna be them dudes sitting here next year, $15,000 in the account. We don't even need to keep no more than that in the account at that point. To be honest, I don't even know how some of these people even care to keep building their accounts to $20,000, $30,000, $40,000. Because it's like if I could. What's that?
I could see going up to 25K because that's what gets you into day trader status.
Yeah, exactly. I forgot about that technicality. There is a day trader technicality for accounts. So you're right.
I'm turning all my profits into dividend stocks.
Yeah. After that, it's like, bro, because I'm not making no plays past like a certain amount of thousands. Like, I'm not about to be dropping no 15, 20,000s on no damn plays. Like, that's just overwrought. You know what I mean? Like, Yeah, because if you could do what we saw today, drop 5K on a Roblox play in the morning and make 100%, like, you don't even need to work for the rest of the month, like, at that point. You know what I mean? So it's like, why would you have to scale up from there? Like, what you about to go do? Fucking go, you trying to go buy some real estate cash or something? Like, at that point, like oh shit, I need to put 20K on this Roblox play so I can make 20K and go buy me a car or some weird shit. Like, I don't know.
Just go buy someone's house. How much you want for it?
Like, I made this shit this morning. Like, what?
You got cash app?
Yeah, like maybe after I build my bank account up to some thousands and like, 50,000, 60,000, 100,000, you know what I'm saying, 200,000, then, you know what I'm saying, then I'm like, okay.
Like once your bank account, I feel like once that starts hitting like 100,000, you're like, oh, I keep more in my trading account.
Yeah, you're like, okay, now.
What's it doing with my bank account for?
Yeah. Okay, now I got 100K in my bank account. Okay, now I can make a $15,000 option play and don't even care if it fucking go the wrong way. Like, I'll just pull some money. If I blow that shit, I'll just pull a couple bands out of my bank account and do it all over again. Like, I know I'm gonna hit on something. I know what I'm doing.
You're like, I done made it all before. I can make it all again.
Yeah, you know that opening volume is gonna bless you one day if you know what you're doing. Like.
Yeah, I mean that's gotta be like the trader's dream. You ain't got no bills, but you got like standard bills, water, electricity, like, but you don't got no car payments, you ain't got no house payments, you ain't got nothing else. So it's just everything's profit.
Yeah, everything's profit. Even if you lose 15,000
Like, you could be
on
down
some
for a month.
on some stupid shit, you should never lose 15,000 knowing what we know. Cause shit, if you see that shit bouncing off these lines the wrong way, you could get your ass the fuck out. You done lost like 5K. You know what I'm saying? Do it all over again the next morning. Fuck it. You like shit. I'm gonna do it all over again tomorrow. Somebody gonna bless me.
Unless you buying 500 options of contract options, a Tesla.
Yeah, but at that point, you should know if it was above or below the middle Bollinger Open, if it's topped out, bottomed out. You should know your levels enough to know, like, okay, this shit about to bust. Like, I ain't about to try to I ain't about to put 15 by 300 options of Tesla if I don't know that shit gonna bust right there at 930, like 940. Like, I'm not looking for no midday swings or no shit like that with that type of money. I'm not looking for none of that. I'm looking for that quick glitch in the fucking matrix on these stocks like it always does. Like, it's crazy, bro. It's crazy as hell, bro. When we damn watch, bro, you gonna see my account go. You gonna see my account go. In these next month and a half, bro, you gonna be like, damn, this nigga ain't play. I hope you damn come along with my ass too, cause I'm going crazy. I'm about to get up out here though, bro. It was good messing with you this morning, bro. We gonna get this going more often.
All right, man.
All right, Brody. I'll holler at you. See if I can turn this Discord off. Stop sharing. Close. All right, YouTube. That's about time. That's about it. Need to set up the Hollywoood Trades Instagram. I did that wrong. Hollywoood Trades. Yeah. Starting to lose my voice too. I need to drink some water and be healthy. But as you see live right here, how we doing this? We teaching these hourly signals. I got it all documented right here. Hopefully somebody found this interesting because this move actually did happen on a variety of stocks today. The move that I call the glitch in the market did happen multiple times this morning. And so, boom, there it is again. Right there. Back decompression. Bounce, top out on stochastic. I mean, there it is. I mean, dude, you're talking about my dude said this went up almost 200% if you would have been in this play right here on your profit on this 78 put. I mean, bro, it's right there. It happens. Like, it literally happens. It literally happens. So I don't know. Y'all take it for what y'all want. I'm such a real person. Like, I don't ever want to be that person that's on here. Of course, I will dress up from time to time. Usually, I don't. Of course, when we're doing these presentations in these professional settings, we conduct ourselves that way. And I do apologize for anybody who believes this is unprofessional. But my plot is not to be professional. My plot is knowledge. My plot is profit. And so, with that knowledge and with that profit being my main goal, and this expertise being my main goal, when I'm talking with my family, our trading group is our family. I want you to be free. I want you to be who you are, because my first mind is consciousness. My first mind is being, and healthy being. So we don't do constrictions in the land of free consciousness. But cheers to all ye professionals. We will holler at y'all next time. Gotta go meet up with my boy, Leonard Skinnerd. My boy actually taught me how to trade. I'm about to show him some stuff. He gonna show me some stuff. Let's do it. Yo, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. We're gonna be coming to you all day long with this information. We've been studying these charts hard. We've been looking at these patterns. We've been looking at things that line up, and things have just been looking really good for this stock market glitch is what I've been calling it. This crazy move at open for high volume velocity. You've seen it today. I showed you the signal this morning. Roblox was one of the premier movers this morning. Volume wise, and I did not try to predict volume. I just see the moves. You see the spacing. You get a feel for the harmony of the spacing of these bands, spacing of these MACDs and stochastics. We didn't even cover any RSI. You see, you don't even really particularly need RSI, but it is a good confirmation on ups and downs and stuff like that. So everything here is a good confirmation. But as long as you have what is that 20 MA, which is that middle Bollinger, and that MACD extension able to come from a flat place to a full extension, and that's what you've seen today. It came, there's these charts on the hourly coming closed before market open, even a little green, but then it's really a sell signal because it's under that 20 MA. About to reject down, stochastic topped out, about to make a full extension to the bottom, and that's all you've seen today. It was pure technical movement, and that's what we're teaching.